Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track goals and progress using Notion AI. So tracking goals and progress in Notion AI can be streamlined by using templates, databases and task lists with the help of AI powered features. So here how you can set it up. So create goal and database. Use a table database to set goals. Each goals can be an entry with like goal name, description, target date, progress status, and purity. So I will just tab on it bottom table, and what gonna do? I will just write it like the name of my goal is grow YouTube subscriber, and I will just enter it. And if I just tab on my the next page is like description, and just simply enter it again. Tab on next page and type target date easily, and the next is progress status, and I will choose next page simply on like priority, and I will just again tab on it, and on my description like I want to increase the subscriber count by 20% in 3 months, and just simply enter it. And again the target date was on like 2025 0401. This is my target date, and the progress status, like I will just mention it like in progress, and the priority is too high. And you will just add properties like progress bar, checkboxes or dates to visualize progress. So for this I will just enter it, and on the right side you will see, if I just tab on it like open, and here you will see the add property. So I will just add a checkbox, and you will just find it. I will just write a checkbox in it, and just simply entered. So that's it. I will just add it on my description checkbook, and you will also add dates. I will just choose this my target date, and I will just add property on select the date. So I will just easily enter the date, and in progress you will just also add data date property for milestones or key achievements. So in this way you can just like select the date and create checkbox. So the goal is that as a grow YouTube subscribers. So when it was done, and you will just have to just click mark, and if the target date was a complete, you will just tap on it tick. So in this way you can just use by combining goal settings, databases, visually progress indicators, and Notion's AI, you can easily track and optimize your goals in a more organized and data driven manner. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.